Hello guys and welcome to another video by Get Set Python. In this series of web scraping, we have scraped many web pages till now. But from this video onwards, we are starting a little series to scrape different URLs of the same web page and make it kind of a little project. So for this video, we will be scraping this Saavn website, and we will be combining different URLs into a single script and make it like a small project. So without any delay, let's get started. So as you know that Saavn is a chart website which provides different chart and numbers of weekly songs. So today we will be scraping one of the URLs, that is weekly tops. So as you can see that we have some 30 songs on this website, and if you see the URL, you will find that this is weekly top songs in English language. So let's get started with the code. So if you have seen our previous videos, you might be aware of the basic procedure that we follow. That is, first of all, we'll import beautiful soup and request library. Then we will send an HTTP request using request.get function, and in the arguments we will pass this URL. So copy this URL and paste it here. Now we will create a soup object using beautiful soup. So pass response.text and LXML as the parser library. Now what we have to do is we have to extract this portion of this web page. So let's click here and inspect this section. Now if you dig into it to find the required section, you will find that this list of songs is contained inside an element that is an ordered list OL with this class name. So our data will be present in soup.find, and we will pass this OL, and then we will pass this class name. So let's copy this class name and paste it here. As you can see that there are two classes and you can paste any of them, and I found this one to be more suitable. So let's see what we have got. Well, surprising enough, you see that we passed this OL as well as the class name and we got none. So why is it so? Well, if you look closely, we have made no error in our code. So we have to find it by ourselves. So I think we should remove this class name, and let's see then what happens. Well, you can see that we got some results, and if you look closely here, you will find that this is one of the songs of that list. and we have some other songs too. So what was the reason for this that we got none object when we passed the class name? Well, it might be due to some background code that works on website and changes the class name on rendering JavaScript. So let's see what we got as our OL. And scrolling up, we can see that we have got a lot of code actually. Yep, so OL class is content list, but when we looked here, our class was something else. So this might be due to some JavaScript that works after loading the page. But since we have found what the actual class is, we can pass it here and look again and see we got our result. But what we want is this song name. So as you can see that this song name is present inside this div. Okay, just wait, let me make it more pretty for you to identify. So we will be using data.prettify and let's see what it does. So you saw that it actually makes the data look more pretty and easy to find the interior elements. So our song, that is this thing, is present inside our div with class details as well as content list. So what our task is to find this song name. So we will write it all songs is equal to data dot find all, as you have to find all the songs, and we'll pass this div and its class name. So let's remove this line first and div comma class and paste it. Oops, class and paste it again. Paste this class name. Okay, so let's see what we have got here. Well, we have got much inside the actual thing that we want, but still there needs something to find. And if you run this again, you will see that we have to find this P thing, that is a paragraph with class name, song name. So we will iterate over all these songs and we will find individual paragraph element. So for S in all songs, our song is S dot find and it is a P with class name, song name. So I'm copying it and pasting it here. So let's run it again by printing song, and well, we got the thing that we wanted, but in real we want the text part of this paragraph. So we will print song.text, and if we run the script again, you can see that we got all the 30 songs that were present there. But it would be better if we print the count also. So count comma s in enumerate all songs comma 1. So this will return two things, that is each item of all songs into s and a counter from 1 till the end of all songs in count. So let's print count comma song text, and you can see that we got all the 30 songs that were present here. And the last one is Morning Star. So this is how you can scrape this URL English Weekly Top Songs from Saavn using this 13-line code. But the important thing was to identify that the class name that was present here in this website and the actual class name that we got in our data was different. Once you have identified this thing, scraping this thing will be much easier for you. So that's it for this video, guys. But as we said earlier, we will be scraping multiple URLs from saavn.com and making it a little project-like structure. So we will be scraping Hindi top songs, other chartbusters, playlists, etc. and combine them into a single script and make it user-friendly option to decide what you want to scrape. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you, bye bye, and stay tuned for more. Have fun with Python.